On this video, I'm going to show you 3 Valentine's Day digital products that are the top earning digital products on Etsy right now. And most people are overlooking them and they don't know exactly what they are. So on this video, I'm going to show you what they are and why they sell so quickly. So check this out. But actually, number 2 is actual fire. So make sure you stay right to the end because that is an amazing idea. So remember, quick context, I'm AJ. I teach beginners how to sell simple digital products on Etsy using AI. I'll link a free training below. But first of all, let me show you the Valentine's Day ideas really quickly. Okay, so the first one on my list is this one. It's only a 2-month-old listing. It's got 73 sales already. It's in demand. It's a bestseller. It's actually not a bestseller. It's in demand. It's a Valentine's Day alphabet PNG, right? This is what it is. And you can see that it has all the hallmarks of something that will work. It's got the hearts, it's got the bow tie coquette, which obviously are design trends that work. It has the whole alphabet where you can actually custom and personalize these letters into anything that you want, right? Which is absolutely perfect. That combined with the hearts and the coquette bow tie makes it really elevate this digital product. Now, at the moment, using Everbee, my go-to research tool, check out the link below so you can find out exactly how much digital products really do make. Is this 2-month-old listing is making $876. So, they've listed up not too early. They've listed up probably around, 3, because next month is Valentine's Day. So they've listed up around 3 months before the time, and they're already making over $800, which is absolutely fantastic. And the reason why they are doing so well is because number one, it's a custom design. Okay, it's a custom design in terms of like you can use those letters from the alphabet to create anything for their sweatshirt, t-shirt, or whatever it is that they're using the alphabet, the letters for. And then you have this beautiful bow tie and the hearts, and it's all in this really cool, cute pink hues style. So this is why it works so well, right? It's the personalization that really elevates this digital product. So definitely, if you are going to design those, create those designs, have some kind of personalization in your listings, because honestly, they tend to do very, very well. Okay, let's look at the second Valentine's Day that is doing fantastically well right now. Okay, the second one on my list is this bestseller, which is we're going to call the Howdy Valentine design. And what it is this combination of the Wild West cowboy-esque style, which actually, if you do you look at Etsy, you can see that this does work very well in many different niches, by the way. Now, for the Valentine's Day, they've really pushed it further, if you like, and it's only a 2-month-old listing, guys. It's got a 9.81 conversion, which tells you that people like this. And at the minute, just so you know, it's making approximately $820, which is fantastic for only a 2-month-old listing. Remember, guys, if you're able to add variations of these, when you see something work, my tip is this, big tip, is make some variations of it. So if you know that a sort of Western style cowboy with the Valentine combination and the coquette works, just do some different designs with the same sort of themes. And honestly, that can really triple your sales. I'm going to do a video. Well, I've done a video on it that I need to publish. So definitely this is a big tip. But how it works is that you got the bow tie coquette, which is this ongoing fantastic design trend that people love. Obviously the Valentine flavor with the balloons, heart balloons are there. You got hearts everywhere, obviously. And then you got this kind of Western theme when you got this person on a horseback, kind of galloping in the distance, right? Really cool cowgirl, if you like. So it works really well. Then obviously the mock-ups are pushing it, where you can see how it would look if you kind of with these fantastic mock-ups that also obviously help conversion. But that is your second, highest selling design right now, which is fantastic. I mean, it's got 3,293 views, guys. Phenomenal. So definitely something to look at. and to think about and definitely list up for. But yeah, let's look at the third one now. Okay, number 3 is this one. Now, listen, there's a meme going around and where 6-7. Have you not heard of it? Come on, you must have heard of it. If you have, just say yes, I've heard of it in the comments below. You know, all the kids are saying it, and I'm gonna call this number 3's idea is the Valentine Day 6-7, right? So these designs with 6-7 are actually trending and they have a huge conversion. Because if you look at this idea, so 1 month old listing has got an 11.79 conversion, which is mad, right? Now, if we look at Everbee, remember, check out Everbee, my research tool. The link is below. This is actually 1 month old listing making $782. Absolute fire. So this is an amazing, fantastic idea that you should jump on, right? Real quick if you can. But there's something more than just this. And I did remember my first video on Valentine's Day where I explained that there was one that has a crazy amount of views and is probably going to convert in sales massively. And I'm going to show you this and show you that this particular idea in a second. But this is basically a bundle of these 6-7 number in different styles with coquette, you know, trending designs. You got the hearts, coquette, the teddy bear with the heart, you know, all your traditional known converting designs around, and they've combined it all in a bundle, which is very smart, very clever, because bundles do very well, as you know, in terms of digital products, in terms of clip arts especially. They've only actually got 2 images, one little mock-up like this one, and just a bundle. It's crazy. Like they haven't even really pushed and utilized their mock-up, but it's a fantastic idea. But I'm going to give you a quick bonus, right? Quick bonus on exactly what idea I'm looking at. And look, if you look at these playing cards here, these in the middle, that's the tip. So check this out. Okay, guys, look at my screen. So this very popular now digital product, and I showed you this, has that 6-7 combination, but it's really focused on one idea, which is the playing cards, right? 6 and 7. And I believe that this is going to do amazingly well. It's got the bow tie coquette. It's already got crazy amount of views and it's already selling right now. I'm sure that's going to be one of the top earners in terms of these designs, right? So definitely look at this, try to put your own twist, spin on it, idea on it, your own originality. But this kind of idea is going to be doing really well. So those are your 3 highest earning digital product designs right now on Etsy. And like I said, if you want to know the easiest way of selling digital products on Etsy, I've got a free step-by-step training and the link is below. But anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Just tell me what other videos you want to see and I'll try and do it. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.